Hi my dears, welcome to your favorite SK Guruji channel. Today we are going to learn about numbers, different types of numbers. And if you know these things, and it will be very easy to access your mathematics part. These things are they are standing at the basic level. We should know all of these things. These are basic terms, common terms. Without these things, you cannot go ahead. So let's have a look about numbers. First one, even numbers. What do we mean by about even numbers? The numbers that can be divisible by 2. That means divisible by 2. Such as what we 0, such as 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, dot dot so on. There are many more number here. 2, 4, 6, 8. Such of number are called even numbers. And next one, odd numbers. Same way, that cannot be what we learned earlier. We learned earlier about even numbers divisible by 2, and here would be not divisible by 2. That means not divisible by 2. Examples: example 1, 3, 5, 7. Such of numbers are called odd numbers. The numbers cannot be divided by 2. Next one, prime numbers. And this is a very important number about prime numbers. A prime numbers, they have only 2 factors. That means such as only 2 factors, such as 3. 3 can be divided into 3 can be it has 2 factors, 1 and 3. The number having only 2 factors. 7, it has only 2 factors, 1 and 7. Such of numbers are called prime numbers. That means the number having only 2 factors are called prime numbers. Next one, composite number. What do you mean by composite number? Just opposite of prime numbers. The numbers having more than 2 factors. Just take a number. That means 4. So how many factors are 4 here? The factors are 4. 1, 2 and 4. So it has how many factors? 3 factors. This kind of numbers are called composite number. So how do you stand the definition of composite number? The number having more than 2 factors, more than 2 factors. So it has 3 factors. These are called factors. So more than 1, 2, 4. So the lowest composite number is 4. Naturally 6, 8, 9, 10 and so on. These are called composite number. Next one, very important number about rational numbers. Rational number that can express in P by Q form. And whereas Q never be 0, not equal 0, lower part never be 0, such as 0. We can express 0 equal to 0 by 5, 10, 10 by 7 and so many numbers, 5 by 7. These numbers are called rational numbers. Once again I am telling you about the rational number. Rational number are kind of such of numbers that can express in P by Q form. P stands for, that means upper part, numerator, and Q stands for denominator. But mind is 0 is a rational number. 0 means 0. You cannot write down the 0 equal to 0 by 0. It cannot be that. 0 means 0 by 5. 0 could be any number. So lower part, Q part never be 0. That is the important thing of rational numbers. Now about the last term of irrational numbers. What do you mean by about irrational number? The number that cannot be expressed in form of the rational numbers. Such a number like root 2, root 7, root 11. This number, and they are infinitive part of numbers. They are infinitive part of numbers. These things are very important. Have like these things here. So remember this all things. Definition of here. Thank you so much. And you have to subscribe, comment, and like, share.